Okay, a video about the rudder cable routing. So for the right, it's obviously the right bar. It's moving both right pedals, right? So turnbuckle cable comes up to the turnbuckle, goes through this pulley right by the gear. It goes through this bulkhead and grommet through there, runs along. There's a little rub bar right here on this bulkhead. Goes under and through this pulley. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm doing a video, Crosby. Goes up through the middle of the fuselage, up, and then it goes uphill, uphill to this pulley, runs on the inside of this pulley, comes out of that pulley, down inside. It kind of goes through these two. Out here to what I've got is a makeshift holder.